So now it's our chance to honor each of the students in Miss Avon's class. She's sorry she couldn't be here with us this morning. As you know, she is in Jamaica with her family. Her father died a couple of weeks ago, so she's there to be with her family at this time, but she sends her love and blessings and greetings to every single one of her students and great pride in each of their wonderful attributes that we're going to be celebrating starting now.
Okay, Simona Sarah shows effort.
I show effort because one time we saved a test and I did not want to do it. But I tried my best and I got a 3.5. That's how I show effort.
Santiago Conador is passionate about reading.
I am passionate about reading because I read my word score book in one day. That's why I'm passionate about reading.
Camila Gudero is not here. She's an attentive listener. Francesca Basso is an active participant.
I'm an active participant because whenever we are doing math, my hand always shoots out to give the answer to explain what something means. That's only one example, but I have a lot more. That's why I'm an active participant.
Alejandro Becerra has a positive attitude towards learning.
I have a positive attitude towards learning because whenever we say something to do, I get focused and do it right away and try to get it forward. I try to learn more every day. That's why I have a positive attitude towards learning.
Nicolas Carlin is passionate about reading.
I am passionate about reading because I always want to read during silent reading. Whenever we are doing another activity at this time, I feel very sad. I love to read. That's why I am passionate about reading.
Maria Cortez is a great friend.
I'm a great friend because when my friend is sad, I help him to be happy. That's why I'm a great friend.
Valentina de la Pava is creative and enjoys writing.
I am creative and I enjoy writing because every time I write a story or a personal narrative, I always imagine a picture in my mind. Or sometimes it's the opposite. Every time I see a picture or a drawing, I imagine a story. For example, in third grade, I drew a picture of candy world and immediately a story about a candy world popped in my head.
Sophia Kunderman is friendly.
I am friendly because every time that someone is sad, I try to cheer them up. I always try to be a great friend. That's why I'm friendly.
Federico Jaramillo is creative and athletic, but he's not here today. Ezra Hinich is an engaged learner.
I am an engaged learner because I like to learn new things. I always come to school ready to learn. I also like to learn about things other children don't like. That is why I'm an engaged learner.
Gabriela Largache is an ardent reader.
I'm an ardent reader because I really love reading. During my third grade summer vacation, I read one tiny book, and look at me now. I finished the series and I have 181.6 AF points. I keep reading the series. I can't stop. That's why I am an ardent reader.
Mateo Lehman has a positive attitude towards learning aspects.
I have a positive attitude towards learning and sports because in all tests I try to do my best and try to get a fourth. I have a positive attitude in sports because I always try to play fairly. That's why I have a positive attitude towards learning and sports.
Manopla is friendly and creative at the absent today as well. Here shows a drive to excel.
I drive to excel because I always put my hands up when Miss Avon asks a question or we're having a discussion. I always want to do my best and participate. That's why I drive to excel.
The performer is passionate about reading.
I like to read a lot. My favorite books are My Weird School and Diary of a Wicked Kid. I read a 29-chapter book in one day. That's why I'm passionate about reading.
My husband Nathan has great community spirit.
I have great community spirit because I always help my classmates during class activities. I enjoy helping my classmates. That's why I have great community spirit.
Paula Pardo is an engaged learner.
I'm an engaged learner because I'm always very attentive in class and eager to learn. I'm always interested in every single subject and I always have love to learn.
Shows effort.
I feel effort because I am always trying to do the right thing. I always try to do my best even though I don't always pay attention. I try to get my best grade and try to be excited when I start. Although it is not that easy. I will always try to do my best.
Role model and hard worker.
I'm a hard worker because when Miss Avon says something, I try to do my best handwriting and work. Sometimes I try to do more than Miss Avon is expected. Once during a science test, I did more than Miss Avon expected. I am a role model because Miss Avon almost always shows my work to the class as an example. That's why I know I am a hard worker and role model.
Because I love to read. I finished Inkspell in like 3 weeks. I also read Anesthesia, Last Grand Duchess in like 5 days. I read lots over the summer and started to devour books like cake. This is why I am an average reader.
Maria Velasquez is friendly and optimistic.
I am friendly because when a friend is down, I invite her to play with me. I am optimistic because when someone is sick or feels bad, I always help them to see the bright side of the situation. That's why I'm friendly and optimistic.